Hi everyone. I'm going to do a very short little tutorial for OneSearch. It seems to be it's easy to get mixed up when you're looking for ebooks. Sometimes you think it's an ebook and it's actually an article. So I'm going to show you how to check for that. So we're going to go to OneSearch. You can start typing right in here, or you can click right here and go straight to the search box. And I'm just going to do a simple search of homelessness. And see how it says online books and articles, print and electronic books, LACCD library catalog. I'm going to click the first one, online books and articles. And so the one thing you will have to check for is because they're both together, the books and the articles. So you're going to have to um, be able to tell which one's which. So over here on the left-hand side, I'm going to click online, which will pretty much be any online book or article. So I'm going to take this first one, homelessness. And it says Gale in context opposing viewpoints. Now we know that the Gale opposing viewpoints database is for articles, magazines, newspapers, and I can show you by clicking on it. So see, this is not an actual ebook. And even though it'll have a permalink here, it will take you to this. And that's not the ebook that you're looking for. So let me get out of that. Let's take the next one. This one says available online. Now this one does say EBSCOhost academic ebook collection. So we know that that is more than likely going to be the ebooks that we were searching for when we went straight to the ebook academic collection, and I did a little tutorial for you. So this would definitely be the ebook. You have their table of contents. Here's your permalink on the other side. So this one you know is actually a ebook. Okay, let's get out of that. We'll go back. Now this one is a reference entry. So you have to look at all of the information that's there. And I can just tell by looking at this, page 807 to 812, it's not going to be a full text ebook. So here, Gale Health and Wellness, click on that. And this is not an ebook. Again, this is an article. So you have to double check and make sure what you're getting is an ebook and not an article. And if you keep scrolling down, you'll see, like, here's Understanding Homelessness. This is actually an article. And the telltale sign is that it says peer reviewed right down here. So if we click on that, and this says EBSCO Academic Search Complete. Now, this is what we're going to be searching for in week 4 when we do the peer reviewed and the magazines and the newspapers. So yeah, this is an article, peer reviewed article. This is not an ebook. So you just have to pay attention. And some of them also, if you click on the title and you just do the OneSearch permalink, like let's go back to this one again. And you just do the permalink right here, and you don't even know that it has no article with it. Sometimes there will just be a title and a citation, and there's no article, which would not be beneficial if you were actually doing research and using this as one of your resources. And one more thing I wanted to point out. Here's another book, Reimagining Homelessness. This is actually a JSTOR Books open access, which still works. It doesn't necessarily have to be EBSCO. We do have most of our ebooks in there are EBSCO, but we do have Gale, the reference encyclopedias, and then we have this JSTOR as well. Um, and as you can see, if you scroll down, you can download any of the material, any one of the chapters. So these would all work. And this is a fairly new edition. We never had the JSTOR open access before, but now that everything's online, I think we're trying to get as many free book databases that we can. So anyway, okay, so that is it. That is all I wanted to show you. So for those of you who still need to do the ebook assignment, turn it in by Wednesday. And for those that chose the EBSCO Academic Search Complete articles instead of the ebooks, go ahead and fix that and resubmit it. Okay, if you have any questions, email me.